I want to throw in a real quick car audio tip for you. If you're putting in your own door speakers, you're going to have to pull up your vehicle speaker wire diagram. This is the reason why. This is an aftermarket harness I purchased from off of Amazon, which will allow me to use my stock plug, convert it over to this right here, so I can install aftermarket speakers. The negative on this one is on the right and the positive is on the left. But if you look up here, that orange and red wire is actually the positive, that brown and pink wire is the negative. So if you look, I would have had a cross connection if I wouldn't have checked my speaker wire diagram to ensure that everything matches up. So what I'm going to have to do is, it's a little tab inside there that you lift up that allow you to pull it out, and you can swap them over and you'll have the proper connection.